Gencodex is an AI-powered platform that helps developers quickly generate user guides, documentation, and support content. It integrates with your project, automatically produces guides with text, GIFs, and videos, and allows you to customize, collaborate, and publish instantly. Stay updated effortlessly as your software develops, making documentation simple and fast. Creating and generating the help content. Logging in and dashboard overview. We start by logging into the SAG Studio, the Central Project Management dashboard. Here you can see a list of all your projects, their current status, team members, and task progress. Starting the help creation process. Step 1. From the left-hand menu, we click on Help Creation. Step 2. We select the project we want to create documentation for, in this case, GenOffice Management, and proceed. Step 3. In the Help Database configuration window, we assign a Create User, the author, and an Approve User, the manager who will review the content. This establishes the workflow. Accessing the Help Editor. We now log into the SAG Help Login portal as the designated author. This takes us to the main documentation editor, Help SAG. Building the help menu structure. Step 4. We create the main menu structure for our guide. We click the Add icon to create a new parent index and name it Master. Step 5. We add a subpage under Master called Individual. Generating content from a UI preview. Step 6. This is where the AI magic begins. We upload a zip file containing a preview of our application's user interface. Step 7. Gencodex processes the file and displays a live, interactive preview of the application screen, generating AI help and visuals. Step 8. Based on the UI preview, we click Generate AI Help. The AI analyzes the screen elements to understand the process. Step 9. We also click Generate GIF. Gencodex records our clicks on the preview screen to automatically create an animated GIF demonstrating the workflow. Step 10. Download visuals or instantly append images and GIFs directly into your help document. Appending AI-generated content. Step 11. With one click on Append, the AI takes the visual context and writes a detailed, step-by-step user guide directly into the text editor. Editing and formatting. The generated text is fully editable. We demonstrate how to easily change the heading styles and font sizes to match our brand's formatting requirements. Saving and managing the page. Step 12. After formatting, we click Save. A confirmation message appears. Page added successfully. Step 13. We can also manage the menu order. We click the Manage Menu icon and use the arrows to reorder the pages, then save the changes. The approval workflow and final result. The approval workflow. Step 14. The author's work is done. Now, the designated approver logs into the SAG Help Login portal. Step 15. The approver navigates to the Approve section, selects the project, and can view the submitted help page. Step 16. The approver reviews the content, clicks Approve, adds a remark, and confirms approval. Viewing the final published help guide. We switch to the View section to see the final, published help guide. The content is now live and accessible, complete with formatted text and embedded visuals. Bonus features screen recording and live help. Creating help from screen recording. Gencodex can also create help content from a live screen recording. We show a user logging into another application, EaseMax. Capturing screens and video. With the Gencodex overlay, users can easily start capturing their screen as they interact with the application. Every click and action is automatically recorded in sequence, creating a detailed step-by-step visual log. This captured session can then be transformed into a clear video tutorial, ideal for onboarding or support. Once the recording is complete, users can name the video and save it for future use or sharing. Viewing Contextual Help Live. Gencodex offers live, on-page assistance. By clicking the View Help button on any screen, users instantly access relevant documentation and video tutorials tailored to that specific page. This feature ensures users get immediate, context-sensitive support without leaving their workflow, enhancing usability and reducing the need for external searches. It's a seamless way to get the right help exactly when and where it's needed. Learn more at https://www.gencodex.ai. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials.